Welcome back to the CSC Garage. In this episode, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to protect the engine of your RX3 with an aluminum skid plate. Let's get started. To install this skid plate, we're only going to need a few simple tools. 8mm socket, 10mm socket, 12mm socket, large set of pliers or something you can pry with, and maybe a hammer. Before we install the new skid plate, we're going to remove the stock skid plate. So we need to take out these 8mm head screws. Now I'm going to remove the bolts on the left and right side that hold the bottom of the crash guard on. And there is a spacer behind there. You don't want to lose that. We've got 1, 2, 3 mounting tabs from the stock plate, and they're going to interfere with the new aluminum plate, which really hugs the bottom of the frame nicely and gives it a lot of protection in there. So we need to get rid of these tabs. You could grind them off, but the way the material is, if we grab them, we can probably kind of bend them back and just kind of work harden that material until it snaps. And the little tab just comes right off. Now that we've got the old skid plate off, we've got the tabs removed, we're now ready to install our plate. We can remove the 2 nuts from the top mount, and then that'll give us a little more room to mount it. It's going to mount just over the top of this edge, so it's going to actually sit like that and to hold the top of the skid plate on. And now we're ready to install the side mounting hardware. The skid plate comes with some longer bolts. We'd already removed those stock bolts, slightly longer so that it will reach the frame. And now we'll repeat the same thing on the right. So we're using an extension and a swivel. It makes this job a lot faster. You can reach in there with just a ratchet or even just a wrench, but this does make it a lot faster. Thanks for joining us once again at the CSC Garage. I enjoyed showing you how simple it is to install a skid plate on your RX3. All these parts can be found through the link below on our website. If you're buying a new bike, we'd be glad to install aftermarket parts on there for you. If you've already got a bike, follow along, build the bike you want, and enjoy the ride.